What can you create from simple pieces of wood? In this video, I'm building two completely different wooden doors, from individual pieces to the final assembly, and the second door has a special glass panel design. We'll start with the decorative panels. These pieces may look simple, but the details make a huge difference to the final door. I'm using my woodworking machine to shape the edges and create the decorative profiles that will fit into the door. Precision is very important here because every piece needs to fit perfectly. For the first door, I'm making a completely solid wooden design. There will be no glass in this door. Every section is made from wood and has to come together. Accurately before assembly, I check each piece carefully and make sure the panels are in the correct position. A small mistake at this stage can affect the entire door. So this is where patience really matters. I'm putting the door together piece by piece, making sure each panel sits correctly inside the frame. This is one of my favorite parts of woodworking because you can slowly see the project changing from separate pieces of wood into something recognizable. The fit needs to be tight, but everything still has to move into position smoothly. Good preparation makes the final assembly much easier.
With the main sections in position, I can start connecting the different parts of the door. The frame gives the door its strength, while the decorative panels give it character. I'm taking my time with every connection because a wooden door needs to stay strong and stable for many years. This is also why accurate measurements and clean woodworking are so important.
Now, the first door is really starting to come together. At this stage, I'm checking the alignment of the panels and making sure everything is sitting exactly where it should. When you build a door from individual pieces, every part has a job. The frame, the panels, the joints, and the decorative details all have to work together, and this is the result of the first. Assembly, a classic solid wooden door made completely from wood. But we're not finished yet for the second door. I'm using a different design. This one will have a wooden lower section and large glass openings in the upper part. The construction is different, but the goal is the same. Clean lines, accurate fitting, and a strong final result. Let's start assembling the second door. The lower section is made from solid wood, while the upper section is designed to hold the glass panels. Before the final assembly, I carefully position each part and check the spacing. When a door has glass openings, symmetry becomes even more important. The lines need to look balanced from every angle. Now I'm bringing the upper section together. Each small piece has to line up with the next one too. Create the individual glass openings. This part takes patience because even a small difference in spacing can be noticeable once the door is finished. I'm checking the alignment as I go, rather than waiting until the end. The second door is almost complete now. You can really see the difference between the two designs. The first door is completely solid wood, with a more traditional and strong appearance. The second door combines wood with glass, giving it a lighter and more open look. Both doors started as separate pieces of wood, but careful machining and accurate assembly bring everything together. And here we have the two finished wooden doors. Which one would you choose? The solid wooden door or the wooden door with glass panels? Let me know in the comments. I'd really like to know which design you prefer. If you enjoyed watching this woodworking project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more woodworking projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.